Traction of water and soil particles. So remember, magkaiba po sila. Ano ang tawag sa kanilang attraction? Cohesion, adhesion, surface tension, capillarity, or capillarity. Remember, they are different material, water and soil. So anong tawag? A po ba? B? Merong sumagot ng A, merong sumagot ng B. So, alin kaya? Okay, the correct answer is letter B, adhesion. Ito po, adhere, meaning dumikit lang siya. Magkaiba. For example, ang water adheres, dumikit sa soil particles. Cohesion from the word co means the same, di ba? Co-worker, co-participants ng review center, pareho kayo. So kung kagaya dito, water to water, ang tawag is cohesion, the same water. Pag soil and water, ang tawag is adhesion. Magkaiba, no? So, yun. Ang surface tension, ito po ang, di ba, for example, ang mga insects, nakalutang po sila sa water, that's because of surface tension, no? Surface tension po ang tawag dyan. Ang capillarity, na-mention na natin before na pwedeng mag-move ang water upward due to differences in moisture content. Okay?